Hello, Stephanie Swafford, rapidbodymindclarity.com. A word about trauma. Trauma is something that we are so hopeful to and insistent on eliminating. Well, I just want to get rid of this trauma. I want to get rid of the memory of the trauma. And I want to caution us all, because years of experience and working with people who have been traumatized has taught me that it's really in there. It's in the system. It's in the muscle memory, the cellular memory, the somatic memory, the body mind, however you want to call it, it's there. And what trauma work can do is soften it, reframe it, change it so it's not as powerful or as triggering as it once was. It soothes it in a way. It doesn't eliminate it. So when we have that hopeful kind of magical thinking moment of, well, I'm doing trauma work and then it'll be totally eliminated and gone. No. It'll be different. I sense it'll be a lot easier to be with, and it's not going to leave. So once we know that, it can be a little easier to connect with it differently, allow for it, trust what it has to teach us. May we be gentle with our traumas. Comments? Your experience with trauma. Do you eliminate it? I haven't seen that, but if you have, please share. rapidbodymindclarity.com. Wander over. Let's connect. Thanks much. Till next time. Cheers.